Yes, yellow viewers, you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I'm Francis Ogaba. This is my official YouTube channel, and we shall be discussing some of the basic skills in computer and applications. And unless I've been telling you, I shall always spend my time to give you the quality videos. So guys, stay tuned. Just I need your attention and follow it correctly. Just look into my screen here, and today I have a presentation that I'm so much hyped to present to you. It's all about mail merging. First of all, you have to know the importance of this mail merging. Like when you have some of the receipt or some of the document you want to send to many people, or some of the invitation cards, like for the birthday, like for parties. So you have not to write more and more of the copies. You can just do the mail merging, and you produce many copies of those invitations. So guys, I have some of the document that I want to send to some of my homies and G's. It's all about, so let us see into what I've prepared. So guys, I've prepared some of the invitation card. Obviously, it's written Chapa Sean Lakoba Esme, and I've written it today. Invitation for chilling. So you can read through all these at your free time or at the time you're watching. So guys, I don't want to spend much time to go through all those invitation cards because it is even short. I'll just go straight to what is meant by mail merging. You have to, I hope you're seeing these icons in that draw. What you can easily use all these. So I'll look for mail merging for mailings, and I start my mail. So you have to let your thing be. I have to choose to which source. Choose from here. There is save list that I would want to send to. So then the documents you keep following. So I've already typed the list that I will send the invitations card to. Click here. So this is the homages. That is the name of the list. You click. You see, it's name, the business contact, and what they're all there. The first one is Richardovich, is Noti Rapper, the Hazadas. All those are the people whom I want the list to be sent. So I come here and open, hit seats, it's here, it will be updated there. So you have seen all these are now active. So you start inserting what you want, highlighting what you want, doing everything. So this is fine. The receipt number, you can come here, find there are 15 in the list, but the thing you're seeing now, it is like 1, but in the real list of the mail merged, it's 1. So in that mail field, let me first come here, you come and insert mail field. I'll insert the name there. I'll insert the name, come and press insert. You have seen it is already inserted. You come and press here also, insert the business contact. you insert, you enter. So sorry, I have to delete, to remove one. Come here, you enter, you have to insert the place. So I'm going to insert the city there. So you have seen this. You cannot spend a lot of time writing all these for all those invitation cards you're going to write. So guys, just insert this name, the business contact, and city, and they will automatically be brought up for you. So I check for the errors. You, you come here and select this, complete the mail merge without pausing, report errors in a new document, press OK. Have you seen? Yeah, you come to mailings again. Sorry, I've made, but I can still go back. See, it is being disabled. You can start mail merging. So guys, sorry, select, choose from the existing, sorry for, choose the document, the images, and you open, you allow it to open, and all these, they'll start bringing the thing. See, there are 15. Check for errors, complete merge without pausing, report errors in the new, complete merge, pause to report its errors. It occurs, choose that one, sorry. So guys, let's stay tuned. Select the receipt, use an existing, look for document, come here. So guys, you have to stay. Should have put it here. Press OK. So that was a mistake. Now go back for mail. So you have to make this active. In order to make it active, you have to come and choose this one. See, now 15. It's only one. Yeah, it's already loaded. Then you can come here and finish, print document. Sorry. So let's wait for it to print. See, it has made more of the copies of those. See, so guys, just do it simply like that, and you save your time. Sorry for any inconveniences, but just subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, please. Subscribe, like, share. I thought you have got something. So, guys, always do mail merging and save. See, I've printed 15 copies now. Now they have different name, different place. What? See, this for Bogmamin, Palabeg, and this is the phone number. So, guys, just like, share, comment for any comment you want to drop.